Hey there, welcome to LSAT Demon Daily. I'm Nathan Fox. That's Ben Olson. We're the founders of LSATdemon.com and our weekly podcast, Thinking LSAT. We've got an email here from David asking a character and fitness question.
Okay. Hi, Demon Team. I've been a member of the Demon since 2023. I'm drafting my character and fitness statement and need assistance in clearly conveying my situation. In 2023, I entered a plea agreement and spent 1 year on probation for a misdemeanor theft charge involving $100 worth of groceries. This incident occurred during a period of serious financial hardship when I genuinely did not have the resources to feed my family that week. I deeply regret my decision and have taken full responsibility for my actions since then. Unfortunately, the charge cannot be expunged until 2028 due to the county's regulations. I have no other crimes on my record, only a few driving violations from nearly 10 years ago. The violations resulted from unpaid tickets that were expunged in August of 2025. All other components of my application are very strong: my resume, work experience, personal statement, and letters of recommendation. I'm currently awaiting my LSAT score. I don't see any mention of your GPA. Since that incident, I have completed my undergraduate degree and have become a member of a professional organization. I regularly volunteer as a middle school mentor and soccer coach. Additionally, I support a local nonprofit focused on teen personal development, which is an organization I was a part of during my teenage years. I also have a toddler, which keeps me busy as a father. How can I take ownership of the situation while highlighting that it does not define me and that I have changed since making that poor decision? What is the ideal length for this statement? What should I include or avoid? Any assistance with this would be greatly appreciated.
I think it depends on exactly what the school is asking you. I think you have to answer their question. I think you should just disclose what they're telling you you have to disclose and really not make a bunch of excuses for it. I don't think it's going to come off the way you think it's going to come off. I think that they're, you know, I say step one, though, call your state bar, right?
Yeah, listen
We
to
just
how they
saw
respond to your explaining the story.
exactly. Because I think that what we're looking for here is just this is, I think the only reason why they're asking you is to see if you're going to be admitted to your state bar. So I think you need to call and talk to your state bar, step one, right? It's possible that the state bar is going to look at that and go, no, you have a theft crime on your record. You can't get barred with a theft crime on your record. I mean, I'm not saying that that's true, but I'm saying it definitely might be true.
Yeah.
Imagine all the ways lawyers could steal, Ben.
Jeez.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable how many different ways lawyers could steal.
Escrow accounts, all sorts of manipulation. Yeah. Oh, this is what you agreed to pay the opposing party. Okay.
Colluding with other attorneys to like have bogus litigation threats.
Yeah.
That are then resolved by
settlement.
You know?
Yeah. Oh,
it's
we
like
came to an agreement. Yeah.
Like a protection racket, right?
Yeah.
Nice business you have here. Shame if somebody decided to sue you. I mean, just 1,000 ways that lawyers could steal.
Yeah.
And so I think they're going to take that very seriously. And, sucks that you could feed your family. I'm not like attacking you for having this crime on your record. I'm just saying you need to call your state bar and ask, hey, is this here? I would request, we just saw this as we were recording the Thinking LSAT podcast. I'm going to go back to that actually on the agenda. So in Minnesota, applicants with questions regarding their past conduct and character and fitness standards in Minnesota are encouraged to call the Minnesota State Board of Law Examiners for a confidential consultation with a character and fitness administrator. I think that's what you need to be looking for. I think you need to Google in your state the State Board of Law Examiners, and I want to talk to a character and fitness administrator and see what happens during that confidential consultation. I mean, maybe Minnesota is the only state that does this, but I seriously doubt it.
Mm.
I would have one of these consultations, yeah,
Yeah.
and see what they say, and then I think that it's either going to be like, okay, this is resolved or it's not resolved. And if it's resolved, you need to just basically disclose how it's resolved
As quickly and concisely as possible.
without making a million excuses and all this stuff about like member of a professional organization, regularly volunteer as a middle school mentor. That's not what this is about. Nobody's saying you're a bad person.
Mm-hmm.
The school's going to be concerned with, hey, you have a theft crime on your record. Are you going to be able to be a barred attorney in this state?
Yep.
It's all about that character and fitness examination that's going to happen before you can get barred. So that's all they're thinking about is this person going to be able to be a barred attorney? And your middle school mentoring has nothing to do with that. Anything more for David?
No. Good luck and keep us posted. Email daily at lsatdemon.com if you'd like to ask us a question or share some LSAT or law school admissions news. Thanks for listening.